Aloha, I'm Helen with Destination Residences Hawaii. Today I'm on a walking tour with my colleague Keith in Old Lahaina to share a little bit of its history with you all. Some places to check out, to go see next time you're visiting.
Lahaina is rich in history. Once the capital of the Kingdom of Hawaii and home to royalty, Lahaina saw an influx of people from around the world as part of the whaling trade of the 19th century. Missionaries followed and established schools, churches, and printing presses. We downloaded the Lahaina Historic Trail Walking Tour app from the Lahaina Restoration Foundation's website that includes 65 different cultural sites, and we started our tour at the old prison. Here you can see where those who committed crimes, like drunkenness and gambling, were brought. Prisoners could lounge in the yard by day and were put in cells at night. These days, the prison hosts free outdoor movie nights. We continued along to Maria Lanakila Church and Holy Innocents Episcopal Cemetery, and then made our way to Front Street, formerly known as Alanui Moi or Kings Road. Front Street is home to restaurants, shopping, art, and history right along the water. Among the many stops on Front Street are the Wohing Museum and the Baldwin Home. It's a great place to spend some time strolling and soaking up the energy of Lahaina. Next, we visited the Lahaina Heritage Museum in the old courthouse. This was my favorite stop on the tour. The exhibits really highlight the incredible diversity and nuances of Lahaina's history. And just behind the old courthouse is the famous banyan tree. We made a couple more stops at the Pioneer Mill Stackhouse and Lahaina Jodo Mission to round out our tour.